Marshall Munetsi was the subject of regular criticism at Wolves, but he's made a very bright start to life on loan at Paris FC, with the goals currently flowing. Munetsi was one of 5 player departures in the January transfer window for Wolves, the others being Fer Lopez, Emmanuel Agbegru, Jorgen Strand Larsen, and John Arias. Munetsi's exit was welcomed by plenty of fans, many of whom felt that the Zimbabwe international simply didn't offer enough and lacked consistency. While he has a brilliant engine, Munetsi lacked technical quality, which could often be frustrating. But he's enjoying happier times at the moment with his loan club, Paris FC. Marshall Munetsi on fire for Paris FC after leaving on loan. After interest from other clubs, Munetsi has so far made 9 appearances for Paris FC, and just recently he has discovered his goal-scoring mojo. He has now scored in 3 consecutive matches against Toulouse, Nice, and Lyon. And those goals have been important, with Paris going unbeaten over that stretch of games and helping them to take 5 points from a possible 9. For some perspective of his consistency, Munetsi ranks 5th in the whole Paris FC squad in terms of average match rating so far, League 1 only. His pass completion rate of 76.6% leaves nothing much to be desired, but clearly his output and goal threat are making him a useful asset. Napoli have firmly established themselves in the driving seat for Wolverhampton Wanderers midfielder João Gomes, with the club now positioned as the leading candidate to secure his signature this summer. According to Daniele Longo, speaking to Radio Kiss Kiss and relayed by Area Napoli, the Partenope have already laid significant groundwork for the operation. Napoli made a concerted effort to bring the Brazilian to the Stadio Diego Armando Maradona during the January transfer window, even reaching a full agreement on personal terms with the player. Although the deal failed to cross the finish line in the winter, the club has no intention of abandoning the pursuit. The management views Gomes as a priority reinforcement and will aggressively resume negotiations once the summer window opens. Having already secured the player's approval months ago, Napoli hold a distinct advantage over other potential suitors, making them the clear favorites to finalize the transfer and integrate the 25-year-old into their midfield for the next campaign.